One of the trending comments on the internet has been, every mechanic should do this before working on a car. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. And so let me start with this. We have a chart that I actually created that gives us the process on working on a car. The absolute number one thing that every technician should do is reproduce the concern that the client has. If it has a noise, I need to experience it. If the brakes are shuttering, I need to experience it. They gotta experience the problem. Secondly, do a good, thorough visual inspection. Next, we kind of isolate what part of the car do we need to start focusing on, so we isolate the systems. Then we do an analysis. That could be anything from electronic equipment to stethoscopes to deeper visual inspections. Then we start to isolate the fault, and before we do that, we form a hypothesis. I think this is what it is, and so then I perform tests to verify or deny my hypothesis. Then once we've actually fixed the car, we go back and we make sure we cannot reproduce the issue that it came in. So I hope this helps you understand a little bit about the process a professional technician should do. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.